Hello friends, in this lecture we will see planar text, and for planar text I have this model. So I have already done a pocket milling here. So I'm going to create, see, this is the workpiece which is properly, and for text milling there is a condition. For planar text the surface must be a planar, and the text you create here, it must be a drafting text. So first I'm going to create a text and go to this geometry and don't use this text. It is a text and I need a node. So this is the node, and first I'm going to create a point to proper placement, point on face. This is the face and the point. Now I want to create a text over this point. So click this node, enter, enter the text. Okay, and under this setting, go to this setting, and I want to increase the size of this as 8, see, 12. It is a little bit bigger, but no problem. And the placement point is this. I'm going to change this. At this point. So click here for this point. Text will come over the point, and I'm going to change this point now. Okay, shift this point here so that the text will be properly visible. So here we have two text. Now I'm going to create a tool. For an engraving tool, I'm using this ball mill, and the ball mill die is 1, and the taper angle as 15 or 10 degree. Okay, now use this planar text, and ball mill is my tool. Okay, and select a drafting text. See, this and this you can select. You cannot select that text. Okay, and the plane is this. Depth is 0.25. If you want to change, you can change it, and if you want to assign some depth of cut, that we can assign from here. Okay, let's generate this from non-cutting move. So I'm going to change this as plunge and generate, and see the preview in 3D. It is not properly visible, so go to this 2D dynamic and now play. Okay, the depth is 0.25. If you want to increase it, we have the option generate it again, and I want to assign depth of cut 0.2. Now see the result. Okay, I can use this operation for this text also. So how to reuse this operation? Right click over it and copy it, and I want to paste it in this workpiece. So paste inside, double click over it, and I want to change this text. So remove and append. This is the text now. Okay, rest option are the same. I don't want to make any changes, so just generate it and okay. And I want to see the preview of these two. So click here. So hope you understand this operation properly.